Well, the Controller of Budget, Margaret Nyakango, has raised a red flag over 1.4 billion shillings controversial planned payment by the Nairobi City County Government to 19 law firms as pending bills. Nyakango says the payments lack supporting documents and only scanty details have been provided for the purpose of the payment. The 1.4 billion shillings was part of a 2.1 billion shillings that City Hall had requested on 19th of June 2023 from the National Treasury, just a few days to the conclusion of the 2022-2023 financial year, to pay the law firms that provided legal services to City Hall.
In a letter seen by NTV and addressed to Nairobi City County Executive Committee member for Finance and Planning, Charles Kerich, Nyakango notes that the payment request by City Hall does not provide any schedule for the payment of the pending bills and that the details of the payments are scanty. Nyakango has also requested City Hall to provide the details of the 19 law firms, including the status of each of the cases handled by the law firms and judgments delivered by the courts. The Controller of Budget says that the payment request by City Hall does not have details of the invoices by the law firms. Nyakango says, and I quote, "The schedule of the 19 firms to be paid does not include the invoices dates. Therefore, it is difficult to ascertain whether they are pending bills or related to works done and invoiced in the current financial year. Please, therefore, revise the schedule to include the date of the invoices and attach copies of the payment vouchers for the 19 firms." In January, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja appointed a special committee to review 21 billion shillings legal services, pending bills, and provide a report within 4 months. The mandate of the committee was later extended by 4 months. The committee was to look into 300 law firms claiming 21 billion shillings from City Hall. Although the committee is yet to make its final report public, a lawsuit filed at the High Court by Rodney Wesonga and Mwangi Ngatia advocates against Nairobi County accuses City Hall of hastily planning to make the payment without revealing the criteria used to identify the law firms. The aggrieved law firms in court documents accused City Hall of carrying out a discriminatory process and that the county had chosen politically connected law firms. Questions arose why the payment was being made just a few days to the conclusion of the financial year and why City Hall prioritized the payment of the legal pending bills over other service providers who are owed billions by the county. Melita Oletenges, NTV.